Good morning, good day, good evening, whatever time zone you're in. Thank you for joining. Thanks for giving yourself the opportunity to be present, to be mindful, to just observe the thoughts that you're having in this moment. Today's meditation is based on the chakra, the solar plexus. It's just around the rib cage, just under the rib cage. It's the third chakra, the main energy centers within our body is called chakras. The first is the root. The second is the sacral chakra. And the third is the solar plexus. Each month, we focus on one of the main energy centers. And this month, for the month of November, we are focused on the solar plexus. The beautiful color yellow, just like the sunshine. As you think of the solar plexus and where it's located, I find it always helps if you can just put your hand on that part of your body where your solar plexus is located, because the hand, heart, breath connection works really well. It causes us to focus exactly in that location within our being. These main energy centers all contribute to making us healthy in body, mind, and spirit. And as I said, today's chakra, we focus on the third chakra, the solar plexus. It is the chakra related to all our relationships. And of course, the most important is the one with yourself. It is I am. We focus on the bija mantras, and bija mantra for repetition, since it's most probably a new word for a number of us. Bija means seed, mantra, man, is mine, and tra is liberate. So when we chant the bija mantras, we actually are planting seeds to liberate the mind. So the seed we're going to plant today is I am. Actually, I want to correct that. It's I do. And I want to share with you, sometimes when we think of doing, we forget that sometimes it's best to just do nothing, just to surrender. Hence the I am that first came to my mind. The bija mantra for the solar plexus is Ram. And the way we chant the bija mantras is in a 4-8-4 sequence. But in order to ground ourselves, we would focus on the breath first. Let us take 3 deep breaths so that we can connect our own energy field and be centered, be calm, and be grounded. If you breathe in, 1, 2, 3, hold for 3, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 3, 1, 2, 3. We pause with regular breathing for about 10 seconds. Our second deep breath. Just breathe in slower and deeper, slower and deeper, ever so slower and deeper. And as you exhale, imagine everything that is not in your soul's highest and best interests being released from you. on all levels. You just give it to the universe. Another 10 seconds regular breathing. And as you take your third breath, I ask you to breathe through your heart. Imagine the breath not only going through to your lungs, but your heart. As you breathe through your heart, I encourage you to just focus on that space that the heart occupies within your being. And then anchor it even further in the solar plexus around the diaphragm. And then we breathe out. Again, anything that doesn't serve us and is not in our soul's highest interest, we release it to the universe. Let us just imagine that deep breathing that we've just done. All our trillion plus cells are totally rejuvenated with the breath, the life force. The Bija mantra for the solar plexus is Ram. It's R-A-M, Ram. And I do, we do it in a 484 frequency. But sometimes instead of I doing, the best thing we can do is just surrender it. That takes away all the set of expectations we have ourselves and others. I'm going to intone the Bija mantra for the solar plexus on the 484 frequency with Ram. So it goes like this. Ram, 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 Ra-ra-ram, 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 Ram, 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 Ram. Let us just sit with that energy of the solar plexus, the Bija mantra Ram, the color yellow. Feel the sunshine rays, the energy of the sun. Using your voice as your own specific, unique blueprint to the universe. Solar plexus, as I said, it's all about relationships. It's the relationships we have, first off with ourselves. It is a continuous transformation. And then the relationship with each other. Healthy boundaries, the ability to see some of the things that we can think about as we meditate and intune the Bija mantra, the solar plexus. The color yellow. Just being able to put your hand, I always love putting my hand on my heart as I breathe through my heart. And then in this case on the solar plexus, which is just below the heart. around the diaphragm. That hand-to-heart connection. It's just a physiological anchoring on one level of our being. And just repeat the Bija mantra for the solar plexus and the intonation again. Ram, 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 ram. Rararam, 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 rararam. Ram, 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 ram. Let us spend a minute in the silence as that energy gets anchored in our trillion plus cells of our body. Namaste. May peace be with you.